What do we see here? Intense is what I see. IMF, 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 IMF. Interplanetary magnet field lines do not belong to Earth. Where did that charge come from? Might want to ask. Well, shut it down and find out. Huh? The back. Boom. It's a CME from a blue sun. Pretty intense. So, I wanted to share what I've been watching all day. And I mean, yeah, this is nothing. Well, all right, some of it's new, but man, I've told you once we get to this point, I wouldn't know what it looks like, and it seems like the new normal just looks like this. Analyze that. IMF lines, creating field lines out here, generating entanglement, charge buildups, blown out magnetosphere. One, definitely from behind. Where's that solar wind coming from? Whose magnetosphere is that? Huh? You see the push against that physical object right there, where you're flattening into the field? There's another field there. That's why there's closed field lines. Physics of a magnet. IMF, right there on the fucking, right here. Interplanetary magnetic field line. Get to know the term, because that's not Earth causing this. With the entanglement, an eddy current has to have a physical object to current to. People, look it up. Don't let people tell you, oh, it's just an eddy current. You even know what an eddy current is in electromagnetism? For fuck's sake. It means something's there to interact with. Is exactly what that means. Okay? You can see the spots in your skies where there's no stars, people. This is why. We're in a magnet chain that is being compressed, and we are getting to the point, well, we are to the point that it's there every day, all day, and it's just getting more and more noticeable. There's a heart. You know, if you can explain this away, have fun. Because we're seeing exactly what they're gonna tell you what, this came from the sun? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That doesn't happen. And we saw the polarity. Look at it blowing out the bow shock. There's hardly any action going on in the front. It's all behind you. Stop looking at Sohos. Go out at night. Look at your clear sky. Tell me where your fucking stars are. Huh? You probably start seeing plasmatic interchanges going on to lighten up your skies soon. I know the feeling.